Welcome to Market Snapshot from the Incred Equities Desk. In this podcast, our expert from the Equities Research team helps you navigate the stock markets with a quick roundup on the previous day's closing, along with relevant insights. Whether you are an experienced investor or starting out, this podcast will equip you to take informed decisions. The securities and stocks quoted here are for illustration only and are not recommendatory.
Good morning, everyone. Nifty had a weak session. Throughout the trading session, it was seen struggling, and towards the end of trading session, become aggravated, finally closing almost 100 points lower towards the end of trading session. Bank Nifty was also weak, but it was not as weak as Nifty. It also closed almost 175 points lower towards the end of trading session. In and all, even with this fall, Nifty still seems to be in the range where we discussed at 24,500 being an immediate support area. Let us see if this sustains or not. US markets yesterday closed near the low point of the day, 0.5% lower. So the intensity was not very severe, but the fact that it's closed in the low point of the day, that can put some pressure on the Indian markets as well. GIFT Nifty is pointing towards 100 points cut as we speak. So in all likelihood, we'll open on a gap down note. And the more the time we spend below 24,500, the greater the chances are that we'll see 24,350 next week itself. A recovery from the lower levels, and if we sustaining 24,500 can result in a strong robust move towards 24,700 again. But in the opening hours, I would suggest that one avoids trading, play with strict levels. FIs yesterday sold around 3,560 crores, domestic bought around 2,500 crores worth in cash. So last 2 days we have seen FIs coming back to sell, and the intensity was severe yesterday. Market breadth was weak throughout the trading session from the opening of the day itself, and that also resulted in some amount of pressure in the markets. Overall, as I said, 53,000 is the key for Nifty Bank, and the most important area for Nifty Index would be 24,500 spot area. If it's opening around 24,480, 490, and it sustains, it gives an hourly close below this level, then one can keep a stop loss of 60 points and short Nifty for target of 350. Play with strict levels, avoid over trading. Whenever you get 4-5%, keep booking out. This is what we are also doing. We have been giving recommendations, a good amount of recommendations the last 2-3 days, and wherever we are getting 3-5%, we are booking out. The reason being the markets are still volatile. We have seen that happening. So that is the way forward for short-term trading. And as far as this is a concern, we have already recommended the levels for that. That will from my side. Thank you.
Investment in securities market are subject to market risks. Read all the related documents carefully before investing.